Hello dear students, today we will do question number 2 of optional exercise 6.6. In this exercise, you are given a right angle triangle ABC, and in this right angle triangle, he has drawn a perpendicular from point B to AC, that is BD is perpendicular to AC, and then he has drawn DN perpendicular to AB and DM perpendicular to BC. And he wants us to prove that DM square is equal to DN into MC. Now children, as you are able to see, as I guided you in my previous video also and during my class, that if you are able to see square only on one side, left hand side only is carrying square, that means in this question you need to prove two triangles similar. Now the second question that will arise in your mind is, how will we come to know which two triangles are to be proved similar? Then the answer to this question is, take out two triangles with side DM. So if you look at the figure, you will find two triangles having DM in it is DMC and DMB. That means you need to prove these two triangles similar. So if you want to prove these two triangles similar, you need to prove that two angles of this triangle, these two triangles are equal. So first of all, we will start with the triangle DCB. In triangle DCB, angle D is given equal to 90 degree, and therefore angle 1 and angle 2, their sum will be equal to 90 degree, as they are the remaining angles of right angle triangle. Similarly, if I take this triangle DMB, here also M angle is 90 degree, therefore angle 2 and this angle 3, their sum will be 90 degree. They are also the remaining angles of the right angle triangle. So 1 plus 2 is 90, as well as 2 plus 3 is 90. Therefore, both are equal. Cancelling 2 with this 2, you will get angle 1 is equal to 3. Now we will start with our proof. We have to prove two triangles having DM similar. So we will prove triangle DMC. We will take triangle DMC and triangle DMB. In these two triangles, children, you have proved angle 1 is equal to angle 3. Angle 1 is at C and angle 3 is at D. So angle C of triangle, angle C is equal to angle D, and angle M of both the triangle, this angle and this angle, both the triangles are of 90 degree. So if I write the name of the triangle this side, DMC, so C of this triangle is equal to D of BMD. So if C is at last, D should be at last, and M in both the triangle will take second place, as M is equal to M in this way, and first place is left. So on first place you will write the last letter of this triangle, DMB. So B is left, so you will write here, by AA similarity, these two triangles are similar. If the triangles are similar, the ratios of the sides are equal. Now let us write down the ratio of the sides in which DM is involved. So first you will write dm in numerator, taking dm from this triangle. Dm from this triangle, so dm will be in numerator. And this time take dm from this triangle, so dm should be in denominator. Here I wrote dm in numerator because I have taken dm from this triangle. Here I have written dm in the denominator as dm I have taken from this triangle. Now corresponding to dm of this triangle, first two letters, the corresponding to this is bm. So in the denominator I should write bm. And last two letters are giving me dm here. So last two letters should be the corresponding side of dm. Therefore they will take the place in the numerator. Now cross multiply to get the result. Therefore dm square is cm into bm. Now compare this result with the result in the 2 proof. dm is square is there, you got it. Then cm or mc, you got it. Only problem that you are facing is here you got dn, whereas here you got bm. So now we have to prove bm and dn both are equal. Then we will replace this bm by dn. To prove dm equal to dn equal to bm, let us look at this figure, this quadrilateral. DMBN. DMBN. So look at this quadrilateral. This angle is equal to 90 degree. This angle is also 90 degree. And this angle is also 90 degree. Three angles are 90 degree. That means the fourth angle of this triangle is automatically equal to 90 degree by the angle sum property of quadrilateral. 360 should be the sum, 270 already we have. Therefore, this fourth angle will also be of 90 degree. If all the angles are of 90 degree in a quadrilateral, then that quadrilateral is a rectangle. So we can say that DMBN is a rectangle. And if it is a rectangle, its opposite sides are equal. So we will get BM is equal to DN. BM is equal to DN. Okay? DM is equal to DN. And now rewriting this first, where we have dm square is equal to cm into bm. In place of this bm, you will write dn, and hence you got the desired result. Dm square is equal to cm into dn. Second part is exactly the same. So children, try the second part yourself. That's all for this video.